How much you ready?
Videotaping us.
Sweet. That's good. There goes Adrian. Comes Jacob. Can you make it up the top? He's a little. Oh! Just shy. Adrian off the lip. Sweet. Oh, fell off the board. Watch out, here comes Jacob. Oh. Jacob, dropping in. Woo! High off the lip. Sweet. That was good. Oh man, you're bailing on your board. You alright? You okay? You're probably getting a little tired.
No, I turned it.
Alright. There you go. Oh. Alright. That's pretty good. Here comes Jacob. Up to the top. Oh! It's gonna do the splits. Oh, there goes the board. Without Jacob on it. Turn up here. Oh, almost. Do it on this one so I can see you. Just try to do one big turn. One 180. Yeah, you did. That was funny. Jacob gonna drop in. Whee! Oh, there goes the board. Dropped in. Dropping in. Nice. Oh. He went to go get a snack.
Where?
Vending machine, I guess. Alright, Jacob's got to make this. For all the fans on YouTube. Come on, Jacob. All the way up. 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 Connect it. Oh. Dropping in. Nice turn. Another nice turn. That was good. Oh my God, what was that?